Post Malaysia will never send you any notification or any instruction to deactivate this or deactivate that or update this through WhatsApp from a mobile phone number, a regular mobile phone number. So this is instantly should be detected as a scam. Jangan kena lagi. This is what people are doing, and I do not know whether the cops are on it or not. Cops should take responsibility for this. Cops should investigate, because these are handphone numbers. So handphone numbers ni boleh trace to who the owner is. So why are the cops not checking? This I need to know, because ramai orang akan kena macam ni. They can just use all kinds of numbers bagi pada orang klik pautan ni, and that's how they siphon out accounts of all the unsuspecting punya recipients. Bungkusan lah, tergantung tak ada nombor, rumah terpadam lah, semua. What bloody nonsense. Menipu pun tak pandai. Tapi untuk orang yang gullible, kena punya, akan kena. This is what I'm afraid of, and this is what I'm telling orang, kalau boleh get the police to investigate this. It's very important.
If you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.